Hello and welcome to another update video about Solana. On the Solana chart, we see quite a substantial decline. Not really significant compared to the increase that we've seen over recent weeks. Yeah, I mentioned to you in the last video that I need to see a break below around about $107.90, which is the Monday low, the swing low, to really indicate that a top of sorts has formed. And this could then be the wave 5 here, yeah, in the yellow count. Essentially it's about, okay, the top could be in here. We certainly completed some kind of a wave 5 there of lower degree. Question is this going to be all of the larger degree third wave? Do we come down in the larger degree fourth wave into this support zone here between $47.59 or 79? But ideally it would be sort of in the middle of it. But that would be one scenario in which we can look forward to a deeper pullback now. I shared with you essentially those targets already. The targets were reached, the price got rejected at these targets. But then to really confirm that a top of sorts is formed, I need to see that micro support level break. However, I'm leaning towards the white count, which suggests that, yeah, we have some kind of a top in place here, but it's likely only a smaller degree third wave. We will then get a fourth, which might be unfolding right now, and another high that could even take it to around about $147. So first of all, what am I watching for today? I'm watching for these micro support levels. Below that level, it indicates we're coming into the support zone here, which is between $89.80 and $107.50. That's sort of the micro support zone for white wave 4. Only below $89.80 it would confirm a more significant top for me. Okay, so this is a local top at the moment, but also here I need to see a break below $107.90, and then it opens the door to this support area with the fib levels at $107.50, $97.33, which is often the ideal target for a fourth wave, and $89.80, and really only below $89.80 again, it's a more substantial top. And then we can talk about, okay, is this already the larger degree fourth? At the moment, the entire structure would look best with one more high in wave 5. And the next fib levels to the upside, obviously, since we've reached 125.60, the next fib levels to the upside are 134.80 and even 147. We'll see if that's enough, But first of all, let's see if this support area reaches some kind of... if the price reacts in some way to this support area. But basically this is, in my opinion, the last real and likely possibility for the price to turn around before dropping in the larger degree fourth wave. And the support levels here are defined. Okay, so that should all be clear. Price broke below the trend line. That is what I mentioned yesterday would be the earliest possible signal that some kind of a top has formed. And but for me, I always look at price structure more than trend lines, and it could essentially form here some kind of a head and shoulders pattern. Left shoulder, head, okay, right shoulder. And if we really take this maybe as the neckline here, then it's a bit too early, but we could just sort of speculatively calculate the target. So we take the height of that head, right, add it to a potential breakdown point, and it would take us here close to the 50% retracement to around about $91, $92. But we'll see if we get there. Solana has shown to be very, very resilient. Obviously affected today a little bit by Bitcoin's sell-off, even though Bitcoin is not coming down dramatically, but Solana affected. But it's very overextended anyway. So, a pullback at some point is due. It's due now anyway. Also the deeper pullback, but the whole structure still would look better with possibly one more high. Okay, yeah, don't think there is much more to add. Want to keep it short because we didn't have too much action here. By the way, what you can see here, you can see 5 waves up already, right? So this move itself could be finished, but yesterday it looked like maybe we get one more tiny high here, but this seems to be over. The question is just, is this the larger degree third or only the smaller degree third, which is then here 4 and then 5. This support area will be tested first, obviously. So, I will not call a more substantial top in place until the price has tested this support zone. That's my update about Solana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.